Hello guys, today we will learn how to add tool container on your Alteryx workflow. What you need to do, go to documentation tab. Under documentation tab you will find tool container. Just drag and drop it on your canvas. Right now move the part of workflow or the workflow which you want to add to this container. Just drag and drop it here. It will expand and contract on the basis of where you place the you know uh, your elements, right, which is say import part and say browse part or browse tool, right. So this container will give you different option. First, to write the name of the container. So what does this container consist of? For example, it consists of import sales file, right. From here you can change the color text of this workflow. For example, I'm changing the text color to say red. Okay, and similarly you can make changes, right. Now you can also disable a particular container by clicking here, right. So right now I don't want to disable. By disable means don't want this container to run, right. Once you hit run, it will make the changes. Right now it has made the changes, right. Like your container is placed, heading of the container is red, and your this particular workflow is now done, right. So what you can do for tool containers, that you can minimize and expand this tool container and according to your need. So suppose you want to minimize this, you have to just press this arrow. You can then just drag it here or anywhere in your you know workflow or your canvas, right. So the main purpose of tool container is to separate out a part, say part one of your entire workflow from the other parts. So suppose you are working on a say statistical modeling project, right. So in that say you have four different parts. One is your data preparation, second is your exploratory data analysis, third is your statistical modeling, and fourth is your post modeling. Now for each part you want a separate tool container, right. So you can place four tool container for four parts. And suppose sometimes you do not want to run the say data preparation part and just want to go to PDA, exploratory data analysis, statistical modeling, post modeling, right. What you can do is you can disable the tool container and it won't run that part for the workflow. That's all for this video. We will cover the tool container more in the next set of videos, where we will have a big Alteryx workflow, and that will give you more hint about the working of this tool container. I hope you like this video.